Machinery video. Today we're going to take a look at a Mitsubishi horizontal machining center model MH4050. We're going to do a walk around the machine and point out the features and specs and equipment and try to give you a decent overview of this CNC machine tool. This unit is equipped with a FANUC Series 18iMB CNC control, and the face of this control is in good repair. All the buttons and keypad in nice shape. The CRT in good condition. This unit is equipped with a fully self-contained coolant system that has an oil skimmer and a machine flushing hose externally as well. This Mitsubishi horizontal machine center is equipped with two 19.7-inch pallets, and we're going to get set up here for a pallet change and go from there. This unit is equipped with a really compact, nice wide chip conveyor as well. This Mitsubishi MH4050 is available to be seen by appointment, under power, and functioning in all aspects. Once again, thank you for viewing Machinery Video. Please visit with us at www.wigglesworth.com and view our new additions, our featured machines, and have a great day.